Now let's go ahead and program our child class. So hashtag child class. Now, just like we did for the other one, we're going to create a new class for this one too. So class bank. And now, since we want to inherit all the details, inherit all the properties and the methods from our user class, we're going to have to mention the user class in the brackets. So user, that tells bank that we want to, the class called bank, that we want to pretty much inherit all the properties and methods from the user class. So once we've sorted that out, all I'm going to do is we're going to need to start an initializer, obviously, like always. So initializer, init, we need self. Now bear in mind, since we're using the properties from user, we also need to mention them in here, unfortunately. So type in name, age, gender, and anything additional that you'll be needing. So I'm also going to be needing, no, that's about it for this one. So we have self, name, age, and gender. So that's what we need to initialize. Now we're going to need to assign this to our object. So before we do that, obviously in the last tutorial we learned about a super function. So what the super function does is it avoids us having to write these lines of code right here. It does it for us. So we do something like super, open close brackets, dot, underscore, init, and then we put the bracket, and then we type in here all the arguments. So we're going to type in name, age, and gender. Cool. So I'm going to run this quickly to see if it works. So let's create a new user. So Johan, equals bank. It's asking us for a name, so Johan. Age, let's put that as 20, and male. Enter. Okay, no errors. So I'm going to check if that actually assigned. So Johan.name, Johan.age, 20, and Johan.gender, male. So perfect. All of this has basically, so it's pretty much inherited this user class into our bank class. So we don't need to use the user class anymore to access the pretty much functionality and data storage from our user class. So we can pretty much just access it using our bank class. So that's why it's a child class, because it inherits everything from here into here. That's basically what inheritance is. So that's our first bit done.